Good morning. It's the 3rd of November. Can you believe it? So here's the pot now finished. Well, it's bisque-fired. Everything seems to have worked quite well. The birds come out quite nicely. Little sunbird on there. That crack that I was talking about seems to have sort of healed itself a bit. I put some slip in there. The handles have stayed on so far, so good. The colors look pale, but they go brighter when you glaze them. There's the little head of the chameleon sticking over the top. And the bee is on. It stayed on. The protea looks quite pink, so it may fire redder. Colors on bisque tend to be quite pastel. And then when you put a glaze over the top, which is the next process on the second firing, which is the glaze-firing, it seems to brighten the colors in oxidation. It's a process where oxygen is added to the color. The colors absorb and become brighter as a result. And I do oxidation firing at cone 6. These are all cone 6 glazes I'm going to be using. In this case, I'm just going to use a clear glass glaze, I think, because there's less chance, hopefully, of cracks appearing. So we'll have a look. So next time you see it, it will be fully glazed and finished.